Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song called Fake I.D., written and performed by country artist Big and Rich. Released in 2011 as a cut from the soundtrack to the movie Footloose, it reached number 47 on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great hit. Okay, 3 easy chords to play. Let's have a look at them now. First one, D chord. There's a C add 9. And there's a G major. Let's look again. A D chord, a C add 9, and a G chord. Let's take a couple seconds now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming to this song. Okay, this song has a very quick tempo to it. Let's have a look at the chord progression now. Follow along. Starting on the D chord. Hey, I've been driving all over the town on my cell phone, wearing it out, and I finally tracked you down. That's it. That's the chord progression through the entire song. The bridge uses the same chords, but I change it up a little bit. Watch the video a few times and you'll see how I do it. All right, now we're going to mic it up. I have a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times. Be ready to join me. Driving all over the town on my cell phone, wearing it out, and I finally tracked you down. Hey, everybody says you're the man, the final piece to my master plan. You got my world in the palm of your hand. Well, I know that you got it. Come on and just sell it. Got cash up in my pocket, you know. You know I'm gonna get it. Hey, mister, won't you sell me a fake ID? Got this band in the bar that I'm dying to see. Got my money, you've got what I need. Hey mister, won't you sell me your fake ID? Hey, don't even think about telling me no. It's only 20 minutes till the show. Hey mister, turn it over, let's go. No, I ain't gonna need a receipt. Just make sure that it looks like me, so the bouncer don't call the police. Now don't tell my daddy, so the keys to his caddy, don't dilly-dally. Gotta get the hell out of this alley. Hey mister, won't you sell me a fake ID? There's a band in the bar that I'm dying to see. I've got my money, you've got what I need. Hey mister, won't you sell me a fake ID? Oh yeah. Here's my money, now get out of my way. Gonna push my luck. There's a band in the bar that I'm dying to see. I've got my money, you've got what I need. Hey miss, won't you sell me your fake ID? And there you have it, Fake ID, written and performed by Big and Rich. Thanks for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.